Get a feel for the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek. Come along for a tour of this safe and connected Subaru Crosstrek. This all-wheel drive compact crossover gives you the advantages of an SUV, but drives like a comfortable sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels. This affordable, well-built Crosstrek won't last long. Why not take it out for a spin? Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.